Hey friends, welcome to the YouTube channel all about electronics. So in this question, we have been given this circuit, and for the given circuit, we have been asked to find the current which is flowing through this branch PQ. Now there are many ways to solve this question, but here I am going to solve it in the following way. So if you look over here, that between the two terminals P and R, these two resistors 3 kilo ohm and the 6 kilo ohm are connected in the parallel connection, because here these two terminals are short circuited. Similarly, if you see these two terminals R and Q, then these two resistors 2 kilo ohm are connected in the parallel connection. That means here the equivalent resistance between the two terminals P and R is the parallel combination of this 3 kilo ohm resistor and the 6 kilo ohm resistor. That means this RPR is equal to 3 kilo ohm in parallel with 6 kilo ohm. That is equal to 2 kilo ohm. Similarly, this RQR is equal to 2 kilo ohm in parallel with 2 kilo ohm. That is equal to 1 kilo ohm. That means between the two terminals P and R, the equivalent resistance is equal to 2 kilo ohm, while between the terminals Q and R, it is equal to 1 kilo ohm. So if you see the equivalent circuit, then it will look like this. So here we have been asked to find the current which is flowing through this branch PQ. Now here if you observe, then these two resistors 2 kilo ohm and the 7 kilo ohm are connected in the series connection. And here this 5 ampere current source is getting divided in the two branches. So one current will flow in this way, while the second current will flow through this series connection. So using the current divider rule, we can easily find this current IPQ. That means the current through this 7 kilo ohm resistor, or the IPQ, is equal to this 1 kilo ohm resistor divided by 1 kilo ohm plus the series combination of this two resistor, that is equal to 2 kilo ohm plus 7 kilo ohm times 5 ampere, that is equal to 5 divided by 10, or we can say that it is equal to zero point 0.5 ampere. That means the current which is flowing through this branch PQ is equal to zero point 0.5 ampere, and hence for the given question the answer is 0.5 ampere.